Hello, this is Daniel Ayemere once again. I'm the chairperson of the Uganda Financial Literacy Association. If you've checked some of the posts before, I spoke about the direction of the Uganda Financial Literacy Association. I started the journey and I gave it an acronym called we are trying to be the rarest organization, and rare being the acronym. I spoke about the first R, which was simply to be the richest association, both by membership but also as an organization. And the reason simply was because we do have the best professionals in the money-making area, money-saving area, money planning area. So if we have the best resource in finance, in insurance and investment, and also a wealth of different individuals from the related sectors, what excuse do we have not to be rich as an association, but also as members? I briefly hinted about our plan for our cooperative bank. I've briefly hinted at our plan for building an institution, financial literacy institution in the long run, and all that is embedded in our policy and in our strategy. So today I want to continue with that conversation, and I'll go to the next A, the next letter in the acronym, which is A,